Okay, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. This is a report. I'm going to go through, videos of how Biafrans and in homeland and sit at home, everything going on in Biafra land. I'm not gonna say much thing. I just want to share it with us. So just follow me as we go through some of the clips that shows how Biafran are observing sit at home today, being the 2nd of December, 2024. I want you to see how Biafran's flag are flying in many places in Biafra land and how people observe sit at home today. Remember, they used to say that PM is the one that pushing and forcing people to sit at home. Now they are no more telling us who is in charge of it now. Umokoko. And this is how the secret and lies will be exposed constantly without stopping, because everybody have come to realization that Biafrans knows what they want, and that is the best way to do it. Because if you keep on buying or falling into the trap of lies and deception of these people in the US, Biafran and ipob in Nigeria, you will lose your brain in their hands. So to avoid it, let us tell our story the way it is. So today, sit at home, and after Biafran declaration, Biafrans have chose to, fly Biafran flag in every corner of Biafran land. So we are going to see some of the things, not all, but we will try our best to bring it the way it is. Thank you so much as we do so. Ami don't come. Ami don't come collect flag. Ami don't. Ami don't come. Ami don't come collect flag. Ami don't come collect our flag. So Ami coming there to pick the flag is highly expected, right? It is expected. But collecting the flag is expected, like I said. But what next? Guess what? Time will tell. I'm not gonna say anything.
Wow. My candidates in the day. They go to Biafra flag flying very high. I was very happy when I saw this thing. Wow. 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 Ule center kaino. When I go shaka. Then ota na hoye. I open Padaba County headquarter. Owele. Na no. Tata ka after no tota. We now go shaka, but on a flag if we go na bang. Go she fena bend doors. Ule center kaino. When I go shaka. Then ota na hoye. Tata 2nd of December. A flag in a fukuna bang. Natago. William Panabo County. Oyo Pluka name. Carbon kind. Ebon. Carbon kind. Today is the kind of Happy Independence Day, Biafrans. Today is 2nd of December 2024. The 2 days lockdown update here in Odumegwu State. Odumegwu State, Biafra land. As you can see, all shop here is under lock and key for the declaration of the restoration of Biafra Independence Convention going on in Laiti, Finland. As you can see, all Biafrans are sitting at home in solidarity for their freedom. This is Odumegwu State, Biafra land today. Everywhere is under lock and key. All institution is shut down. Happy Biafra Independence Day, Biafrans. Today is 2nd of December 2024 here at Nkonewi of the State Biafra land. As you can see, all plans are here still remain under lock and key for the declaration of restoration of the independence Biafra Convention in Haiti, Finland. This is Biafra in their solidarity protest and the jubilation for their final freedom. This is Biafra State today. There is much jubilation ever since yesterday and day before yesterday for this our freedom that we have gotten. And area stroke. This second Monday of December 2024, Eva busy road of area stroke shopping center, which always very trafficked every moment, is empty. Sitatum here is speaking loud on every side. I want to thank God for what the Biafra government is doing. Also, I want to thank God for what government in exile is doing. But it's under the office of Prime Minister Simon Eba, great guy. Everybody should be informed that we are free now to return to defend our territory. We are winning. Nigeria is gone. This is Atom is speaking loud everywhere. Mazdam Khan must be released, the great leader of our time. He must be released. Oil and water can never mix. Biafra and Nigeria will never be one again. In life now and life to come. Philistines shut down the evolution. I can say Philistines shut down. Shut down the evolution. Shut down the evolution. Every road are empty. Today sit at home is also. If you see this message to saw everywhere, share it and let the world know that the federal government exile control of their own territory. This global news were reporting from the center of the world. Aba State, precisely Aba State, under United States of December 2024 is awesome. The Biafran Republic government that have declared Biafra and redeclared it. We gone home already. This is United States of Biafra, USB. It's awesome. Today, sit at home is going on continuously until Namaka is released. The great guy, the men and women of the land are keeping home, sitting down at home on every side, sure, to prove that Biafran government can control the territory. That's all that Maz Namkan is coming out with celebration. It's coming out. It's coming out great. Great. It's coming out. Yes. Do you see? We are winning on every side. Government of Nigeria have nothing to do any longer. They are helpless. They thought that the tension, they thought that inviting of Simon Ekpa will stop the move. You can say, we are winning. They don't come to field and defend the magistrate court. They invited them. No one is there. They ran away. But the terrorism have been exposed to the world. We are not going back. Water and oil can never miss. We Biafran can never be what Nigeria anymore. It's gone. It's gone, and it can never be. So forget everything. Force by force, we have the force now, and we are going home. Thank you. We are already home. Look at our market. That shut down the evolution. We are going home. This is our state.